Good morning, Blossom fam. Listen, y'all asked me for a tutorial for this sweater, and I figured why not do it live? So, on Friday, February 7th, I am going to be doing a tutorial live right here on YouTube, right here. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up so you know what to expect. Because I'm going to be doing the tutorial live, um, I will take breaks to answer questions, to go through the chat, but I'm mostly going to be focused on the project. If you want to follow along with me and make your sweater as well, that would be perfect. For the one that I'm making on Friday, I'm actually going to be using this 100% wool. I don't ask me how to pronounce it. I don't know. So this is going to be the base of the project. And then I will be using this for the ribbing. Now this is just Red Heart Super Saver. This is 100% acrylic, whereas this is 100% virgin wool. So, but I think they match up pretty good. I'm super freaking excited about it. I will be using a 6.5 millimeter hook. Now this is it seems to be a 4-weight. I will be using a 6.5 millimeter hook for the body of the sweater. And then the ribbing, I will be using a 5.5 millimeter hook. So join me Friday, February 7th. I am going to start bright and early at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we are just going to roll with it and do whatever it is that we need to do. In the comments, let me know. Are you excited? I'm excited.